Good morning. Day 3 in Bermuda, our last day in Bermuda, day 6 of the cruise. Yesterday you saw the ropes course and us chilling at the pool again. Just a nice, relaxing few days. This is a whole relaxing cruise, as I've been saying. But now we're going for a moped ride, and this is gonna be really fun. So I'm headed to the rental place for my moped ride, and then we'll see where that takes us. Chickens and baby chicks. Well, as you could see, that moped ride was so much fun. And I made it all the way to Hamilton, which is on the other side of the island. So we'll flip the camera directly behind or in between those two ships. That's where I made it to, all the way over there. Footage you saw was from. It was really fun. It was fun. And what was also cool was it took me maybe like 5 minutes to get used to like balancing myself on there. But it was fun. And if you have ridden a bike before, it wouldn't be too hard for you. It wasn't hard for me. It was really, really fun. Loved it. Love when the laundry is done, folded for me. And now I go home with very little dirty clothes. Yes!
Let's design this party. First, drinks. Selection ball. Next, design.
Good morning. It's the last day of our journey. Started off with a little mimosa. We'll get a little bit of footage of what the other parts of the ship look like that you haven't seen yet. But overall, just having a great time. A little cloudier today and windy, but that's always to be expected on our way back north. By the way, I met two wonderful ladies on this trip. This is my friend Tracy.
Hello.
And this is my friend Erica.
Hi.
I almost wanted to call her Samantha for some reason, but we've been having a nice time. And you guys did you enjoy the getaway?
Yeah. We had so much fun.
Yeah, it was so good to meet you all and spend some time with you. I love meeting new people on the cruises. So yeah, we've been having a good time. But it's a little bit of a cloudy pool day today. That guy was at karaoke. I remember him with the hat. Yeah, the country guy. Yeah. But we've been having a great time. That was Mrs. Sexy Biceps. This adventure has come to an end on the beautiful Norwegian Getaway. What a fantastic week it's been. I hope you enjoyed watching all of the video and the pictures and some of the footage I got from the ship. I'll be back on this ship later this summer to head to New England, and I'll be taking you along with me. Please make sure you leave a comment or subscribe to this channel and share the video with anybody that you know that loves cruising or theme parks, because that's what we're all about here, just hanging out and having fun. I'll see you on the next adventure, everybody.